Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Scout electric SUV and truck, set to revolutionize the off-road electric vehicle market. The Scout brand, a revival of the iconic International Harvester name, is making a comeback under the Volkswagen Group. Both the electric SUV and truck are designed for rugged utility, combining retro aesthetics with modern electric capabilities. Key features: performance. The Scout SUV will feature a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, promising at least 300 horsepower. This power will make it a formidable competitor against off-road legends like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler 12. Range. Expect an impressive range of around 400 miles on a single charge, positioning it as one of the leaders in electric off-road vehicles. 15. Design. The design pays homage to classic Scouts, featuring a robust and functional layout with modern touches. Anticipate durable materials and advanced technology integrated into its interior. 34. Pricing. The starting price for the Scout SUV is projected to be around $40,000, making it competitive within its segment. The pickup version will likely be priced higher, reflecting its additional capabilities. 125. Production timeline. Mark your calendars. The official reveal is scheduled for October 24, 2024, with production beginning in 2025 at a new facility in South Carolina. This plant represents a significant investment from Volkswagen, estimated at $2 billion, underscoring their commitment to this new line of vehicles. 56. The 2025 Scout electric SUV and truck promise to blend capability with sustainability, appealing to both adventure seekers and eco-conscious consumers. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the reveal date.